Hey, it's 3rd of October. We are traveling to High Point for hiking, and we are on our way and eating dairy milk. And we were talking about it, and Saarth is saying that dogs should never eat chocolate. We should never give chocolate to dog. And we asked why, and he has some reasons for that, and how it is harmful for them. So let's ask him what his explanation is, and if he's right, that's good. But if he's wrong, we can tease him by making him watch this video again and again. Okay, let's see what are his thoughts on that. Okay, Saarth. So let's.
First, I would like to say, how will you know if I'm wrong or right? Google?
We will Google it.
Okay. So, what I was saying is dogs can't eat chocolate because there's a compound in chocolate called anandamide. And the darker the chocolate, the more it has. Anandamide in Sanskrit, which is an ancient Indian language, means bliss. But for dogs, it is the exact opposite, because dogs can't process it as fast as humans can. So dogs, it takes time and slowly process it, which can cause very harmful situations such as vomiting, diarrhea, congestion problems, and high heart rate, and etc.
Dogs can also have all these things. Like, nice. So they may die. Possible.
I'm not really, but yes, it's possible.
Okay.
What about humans?
Humans process it quickly, so that's why we don't have to worry about it.
Is it good for you?
Is it good for us to have chocolate?
Well, it does. Make your basal ganglia neurons fire.
What kind of neuron?
Basal ganglia?
Yeah, that's a part of your brain that controls reward and helps in movement.
So it fires by eating chocolate?
Yeah, because you have reward. You like chocolate, then your basal ganglia, which is the reward center of your brain.
Okay, let's eat some
Like
chocolate and make our basal ganglia fire.
Great job. Let's see now. Someday we'll do some research on that and we'll figure out if it's true or not.
अभी कर लेते हैं ना?
Stay tuned with us. Thank you.